I, my, there's a lot of text on my slides. I'm an academic. What can I say? My name's Bill Hersh. I'm the head of the informatics program at OHSU. My office is about 100 yards from here. I want to celebrate Health IT Week. This is about the best graphics that you're going to get out of my slides. Um, Anyways, I'm going to talk about a new initiative of our program here at the university in this weird format of every 15 seconds. I'm not used to that. I'm used to like having 5 minutes per slide. Um, what we hope to solve, our department, the Informatics Discovery Lab. So basically, you've heard from other people besides me that we have a non-health, non-care, non-system that doesn't really do what we really want it to do. And part of the solution, not the whole solution, is this field called informatics that some of you have probably heard of, that's concerned with the optimal use of information to improve health, healthcare, public health, etc. It's about technology, but it's really about information. In fact, my colleague Charles Friedman, I guess I do have a few graphics, has this fundamental theorem. In informatics, we aim to improve the human performance in helping people improve their health, not to try to build a system that's going to replace doctors. So part of the solution in informatics is a thing called DMICE, which is the Department of Medical Informatics and Clinical Epidemiology here at OHSU. And if you click on that link, of course, it's just a slide. You can't, but you would go to our website. We're an academic department. Our mission is what you would think an academic department has: research, education, collaboration. Catch my breath while I wait for the slide to advance. I won't read all this, but these are all the areas of research that we have expertise: clinical data, standards, interoperability, patient decision making, simulation, you heard about already, bioinformatics, ontologies, things like that. And in addition to research, we do education. Many of you are familiar with our educational program, aiming to train the future professionals, researchers, leaders in this area, with experience that includes gaining knowledge, practical experiences, professional development. We have many current students in the program, and we have over 500 graduates dating back to 1996. Those little abbreviations are for the types of degrees we have: master's degree, PhD. We also have a large distance learning program. Very few of our students are actually in Portland. The map has dots for where our students live and access our system. We also are a worldwide program from places like Singapore to Zimbabwe and everywhere in between. But what I'm really here to talk about tonight is the Informatics Discovery Lab, which is built on this idea that we can't just be up here on this wonderful hill in the ivory tower. We need to collaborate. And so this is a culmination of a lot of thinking over the years, conversations I've had with some of you about how we can solve real-world problems in healthcare and medicine, collaborate iteratively between academia and industry, and because we're academics, measure what we do. So we bring a lot of expertise. I showed it a few slides back on our research areas. This slide just reiterates the areas from analytics to education to human-computer interaction, health information exchange, and so forth. The key to the Discovery Lab is collaboration between academia and industry. We have some talents in academia. We have deep understandings of some issues, novel approaches, knowing how to evaluate. But we don't have expertise that industry has. So for example, product development, customers, marketing, deploying products, real-world commitment to customers and products. So our hope is that we will build the synergies between us. Our current status is that some of you know Aaron Cohen, who was not able to make it tonight, Deb Woodcock, who's somewhere out here, is our program manager. We're starting to develop partnerships with companies, both locally and nationally, sponsoring talks. And how can you get involved? There's many things. I don't expect you to read this all in 15 seconds per slide, but ways to support us: sponsor research, have us do things for you, have us collaboratively work together to develop things, consulting, helping companies start up, helping with product and software development, and because we're academics, we can do things like clinical trials and evaluation pretty well. So if you're interested in more information, you can visit our website or contact any of the three of us, and we'll be happy to talk your ear off about more than we get to say in 5 minutes. So that's all I was going to say in my 5 minutes.